Good morning to all. Respected principal, dear teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ardra RV studying in 9th standard. On today's auspicious occasion, I like to present a speech about Independence Day in front of you people filled with the feelings of patriotism. As we all know, today we all are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. On August 15, 1947, India became free from the British after a very long struggle. 15th August is an important day for every Indian citizen because on this day we remember those people who lived only for their country, and because of them we are born in independent India. We got independence on 15th August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Today India is known as the largest democracy. Unity in diversity is the identity of India. The first war of independence was fought in 1857, but it could not be successful due to the power of British and lack of resources of revolutionaries. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for our nation's freedom. Since then, efforts have been made for the independence across the country. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, they finally had to leave our country on 15th August 1947. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. Today, we have the rights to choose our government. We all are fortunate that we took birth in an independent India. The period of defense ended, and after approximately 200 years in India, there was a sunrise of independence. India's freedom through struggle was unique in the world. This was the first example of achieving freedom through truth and non-violence. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was made the first Prime Minister of independent India. Since then, till the date 15th August is celebrated every year as Independence Day. The national flag is hoisted in different parts of the country. The main event is held in the capital of the country, New Delhi. On the occasion of 15th August, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag from Red Fort and remembers all the freedom fighters who laid down their lives for our country. Our freedom is priceless, and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. With this, I would like to conclude my speech with the last few words. Happy Independence Day to our freedom fighters, to our soldiers, to our heroes of the nation. They are the reason we are still alive, and we will never forget their sacrifice. Let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a nice day.